Our Nitro garage rolls ship same or next business day regardless of order size. Prior to beginning your install, remove everything from the area and clean the floor surface. To complete a wall-to-wall garage floor installation, all you will need is a utility knife, double-sided carpet tape, and about 1 to 2 hours of time. Garage rolls are constructed of high-quality polyvinyl and can be easily rolled out for a quick and easy installation. If you have excess material when you get to a wall or obstruction, no worries. Cut the roll along the wall or carefully cut out any area where there is an obstacle using a utility knife. When installing garage rolls, we recommend starting in the front left corner of your garage and adding rolls from there. Adjacent rolls can either be butted up together or overlapped. Once your rolls have been put into place and cut to fit, we recommend letting the rolls relax for 24 hours. Otherwise, rolls seem to want to curl up around the edges. Once the garage rolls have relaxed, tape down the borders and seams using double-sided carpet tape. To clean your garage rolls, all that is normally required is to sweep the floor clean. There you have it, a complete garage floor roll covering that is easy to install and even easier to maintain.